In this video, we share how to start Forex trading even if you have no initial trading capital. Discover strategies like using your employment income, personal savings, partnering with investors, joining proprietary firms, and even crowdfunding to acquire the capital you need for successful Forex trading. Whether you're a beginner seeking basics or an experienced trader looking for new strategies and insights, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the Forex trading market successfully. See the links in the description box below. Today, we're addressing a question I receive frequently from beginner traders. How can I get capital to start trading Forex? I'm here to share a secret code that can help you obtain the capital you need for Forex trading. Let's dive right in. Starting with your employment income, for those who have a job, I will say try to save a portion of your regular income towards your trading capital. Over time, this can help you build the capital you need. Personal savings are a great avenue. Use funds specifically set aside for Forex trading. This approach avoids incurring debt and additional obligations. As a bonus tip, the brokers that I use, see the links in the description box below, allow traders to start trading real live accounts with just $5 and $10. What this means is you don't exactly need to save $1 million or hunt for thousands of dollars before you can start trading. If you have a trading strategy and you are a good trader, you can save or find $50 or $100 and grow from there. Another avenue is to consider partnering with investors or trading partners. This can give you access to more substantial funds in exchange for profit sharing. Proprietary firms offer this exciting opportunity. They provide traders with capital to trade on their behalf. Just remember that some prop firms will require you to take and pass a challenge for them to trust you with their funds. In return, you share the profits while they provide the initial capital and support. I've even got a good proprietary firm for you. Check the link in the description to register. Crowdfunding, a unique method. There are some online platforms that enable traders to raise funds from individuals who invest in your trading venture. Like in the prop firm route, these crowdfunders will want a share of the trading profits. Whichever method you choose, remember to have a solid trading plan and risk management strategy. Forex trading involves risk, so start with an affordable capital amount. And there you have it. I hope these insights empower you to take action on your Forex trading journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. If you have questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. I love hearing from you.